And welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 4th to the 8th of May 2026 on Monday. Isaac threatened Mpho. Sebe is creatively blocked. Minky and Ayanda are both missing. Sam's convinced he's found Sebe's real mother this time. Tao and Moage's beef is on the verge of boiling over. Lulu wants to know Kamo's secret on Tuesday. Nontle is alarmed when Minky has second thoughts about going after Arthur. Sam brings Sebe hopefully news, but Mzi refuses to let her chase the dream down to KZN. Jake makes a decision that G-Wagon isn't able to abide. Mpho is tortured by guilty on Wednesday. Nontle is thrown a curveball but is determined to still write the book. Jax and G-Wagon bumps head around the ceremony. Both Kamo and Mpho reveal their secrets. Sam's passionate podcast touches Nomasebe on Thursday. Nomasebe doesn't get the reaction she expected from Zenzile. G-Wagon has harsh words for Jack. Mpho tried to convince Benny that confessing is the right move. Moache refuses to let Lulu off the hook. Minky and Nontle clash over the cancelled deal book on Friday. Ntando's induction into the dark world continues. Lulama concerned as more demands are made. Nontle is had to learn what Tao has done. Ayanda's spiral continue. Moachi uncircled by Lulama's words. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.